Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Jupiter in Virgo. And people with Jupiter in Virgo, they like to correct people and teach people how to create perfection. They can be very critical, and when they teach, they like to teach people to do things in the best possible way to the point of trying to be perfectionistic. And they teach them to take their time, to look at the details, to be patient, to make sure that they do things correctly. They can make great accountants, professors, and they can do really great in the medical field. They are great at looking at the details, and they can really be a more challenging professor because they want their students to be perfect and really understand the material and get a really good grasp of the material and do a really good job. They can potentially drive themselves crazy with their own perfectionistic personality. They also tend to attract partners that oftentimes won't praise them because the partner wants them to be perfect, and there really is no such thing as perfection. They can also attract partners that are kind of critical and judgmental, and their partner can also really want them to look well, present themselves well. They will also present themselves well as, nice and, dress in a nice attire. And that is my interpretation of Jupiter in Virgo.